In this video, I will show you how to check for apps that need updating on iPhone. So in order to see all of the available updates on iPhone, what you want to go and do first is open up the App Store. Now from within the App Store, you then want to go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or initials in the top right. And then from there you will get to this screen that says Account. Now here, if you have any available updates, then at the bottom of the screen there will be a section that says Available Updates, and from there you will see all of the apps that can be updated, and you can then also press Update in order to update that app. Now since I currently don't have any available updates, for me it doesn't show right now, but if I would have an app that needs updating, I would be able to see it right here. So that's how to check the apps that need updating on iPhone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.